Harvard scientists claim that they found how extraterrestrial aliens travel, a case that breaks prejudices. Two Harvard University scientists suggest that mysterious fast radio bursts, FRBs, detected in distant galaxies may be evidence that aliens are traveling through the universe. FRBs are extremely intense bursts of radio waves that last less than a second and were detected by special telescopes. The first was detected about 10 years ago, while a total of 17 eruptions have been recorded, but scientists believe that thousands of FRBs occur every day. At first, astrophysicist and head of the Department of Astronomy at Harvard University, Abraham Loeb, or we know him as Avi Loeb, Abraham Loeb, he's the one that also believes that the Oumuamua interstellar comet could be an extraterrestrial spaceship. Anyway, Abraham Loeb had tried to explain them in a more conservative way, these FRBs, saying that they were just explosions on the surface of stars in the Milky Way, but at some point, quote, one of them was spotted in a small galaxy billions of light years away from us, Loeb said. He told American edition of the Huffington Post. In short, this means that the FRBs come from the other side of the universe and must be as bright as anything we know. And in March 2017 issue of the Astrophysical Journal Letters, Loeb and physicist Manasvi Lingam examined the possibility that these rapid bursts of radio waves originate from extragalactic civilizations. Lingam told Huffington Post, since there are so many more galaxies than our own, it makes statistical sense that such a phenomenon would be observed outside our galaxy much more often than inside our galaxy. The two scientists do not claim that FRBs are definitely from extraterrestrial civilizations. They speculate that such phenomena may be the result of using giant radio transmitters to transport it from one galaxy to another. At this point, it should be mentioned that Loeb is the head of the advisory board of the Starshot project, which aims to send the Alpha Centauri spacecraft to a star that is 4 light years away from Earth. The idea is to use powerful laser beams on thin solar sails that will carry over 1,000 robotic spacecraft. The method may differ from that used by aliens, but humans are still taking their first steps in space. Loeb says, I imagine aliens doing what we're starting to do now. The Harvard professor knows that even the hypothetical discussion about extraterrestrial aliens will cause reactions, but he does not have the same prejudices. He explains we should not be biased when we think about what could be out there. And Lingam emphasizes that the theory is based on assumptions. And the text comes from the American edition of Huffington Post. I've translated this for you from a Greek article. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.